Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. This is Spoken English Challenge. This series will teach your kids how to speak English like nature. Let's start with lesson 1. Introducing yourself. Hello everyone, it's Aayat here. Yay! And today we're going to learn all about introducing ourselves. Let's start. When we're at school or meeting new friends, it's important to introduce ourselves politely and confidently. Let me show you how. When we're at school, we can say, "Hi, I'm Aayat. What is your name?" It's a great way to start a conversation and make new friends. I'll show you an example. Let me introduce you my sister, Amma. Conversation at school with friends. Okay. Hi, my name is Aayat. What is your name? Hi, Aayat. I'm Amma. To meet you. Nice to meet you too, Amma. Do you like playing games during the free time? Yes, I love to play tag and hide and seek. What about you? Tag is so much fun. I also enjoy playing soccer with my friends. Have you made any new friends since you started school? Yeah, I have met few people. It's exciting to meet new friends like you. I feel the same way. It's great to have friends to play with and share stories. Maybe we can play together during free time. That sounds like blast. I will see you tomorrow at free time tonight. Definitely, Amma. Looking forward to it. See you tomorrow. Okay, bye. Bye-bye. Now let's see how to start a conversation with a relative. Hi, I'm Aayat. Nice to meet you. Hello, Aayat. I'm Sarah. It's wonderful to meet you too. Thank you, Sarah. How are you today? I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. How about you, Aayat? How are you liking the family gathering? I'm having a great time. It's nice to meet you all. My relatives, do you visit often? Not as often as I like, but I try to come for a family event like this one. I'm glad I got to meet you today, Aayat. Me too, Aunt Sarah. I hope we can spend more time together in the future. Let's make sure to keep in touch. Maybe we can plan something fun for the next gathering. That sounds fantastic. I look forward to it, Aunt Sarah. Me too, Aayat. Take care and enjoy the rest of your gathering. Thank you, Aunt Sarah. You too. Bye-bye. See, it's very easy now. Now let's talk about something important. Sometimes people might ask us personal questions like where you live or our phone number. Remember, it's okay not to share sensitive information with strangers. You have the right to keep your personal information safe. If someone asks you about something you don't want to share, you can say, "Sorry, but that is private." Your safety and privacy are very important. Now, we have learned how to introduce ourselves in different situations and protect our privacy. Let's practice together. Kids, keep watching my videos again and again. You will be practiced. Or parents, let your kids watch this video more times so they can practice easily how to start the conversation. That's all for today. You're all doing so well. Remember, being confident and polite when introducing yourselves is a superpower that helps you make new friends wherever you go. That's all for today. Keep shining bright. See you in the next video. Until that, Assalamualaikum.